All right, those were just my Christmas tree peeps that I laid out in my greased 9x13. Next, I'm coming in with a stick of melted butter, and we're just gonna drizzle that right over our peeps. Perfect. Now this is gonna go into the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, look how jiggly these are.
Oh my goodness.
That's how you know they are ready. So before we give this a mix, I'm just gonna add some green food dye because that is the color we want these to be. Right, and we're just gonna do a generous amount in there. Grab our Christmas spatula, and it's time to give this a mix. Okay, once our marshmallow peeps start looking like this, now we know it is time for our Rice Krispies. This is the biggest box of Rice Krispies I've ever seen, but we're gonna add about 4 to 5 cups of our Rice Krispies into our aluminum pan with all of that goodness, and it is time to mix that all in. We want a, nice consistency. We want it to be nice and strong. We don't really want super gooey Rice Krispies, and you'll see why. All right, now that this is fully mixed, we're gonna kind of just pat it into our 9x13 so that we have some nice even layered treats in our pan. It's pretty well packed in there. I'm actually gonna pop this in the freezer for about 1 hour. All right, so we just took these out of the freezer, and now we're gonna pop these out of our aluminum pan. I like using the aluminum because it makes it a little bit easier. But we're just going to there we go, perfect. All right, now for the fun part. We're gonna go ahead and split this right in the center. Just like so. And then now for the fun part, we have to cut these into little triangles. So we will have some little edge pieces that we're not gonna use, but this is the shape we're going for. All right, so we have all of our triangles. I'm just gonna kind of turn them right side. Now I'm bringing in my pretzel sticks. These are just, the Kroger brand. And we're gonna grab a few of these pretzels. And with these pretzels, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just get 3/4 of it, just like that. Grab our triangle and just stuff our pretzel right in there. Might need a little bit of reinsurance, but look at that. Ah, so cute. All right, you guys, now I don't know if you guys can tell, but these are Christmas trees. Oh yeah, so now it is time to decorate our Christmas trees. I have my white candy melts. Now you can use a red or a green or whatever, but I just thought white was perfect. And we're gonna go ahead, I already went ahead and melted them. So I'm gonna grab, and then we're just gonna drizzle some of that white on there. Just like that. It's okay, it doesn't need to be perfect, because after we drizzle that, we're gonna grab our Christmas sprinkles, and this is really what's gonna pull everything together. Those sprinkles are just gonna attach right to that candy melt. And then we have the cutest little Christmas tree Rice Krispie treat. Oh my, these look absolutely adorable. Now we are gonna let them set so that candy melt can harden, and then it's gonna be time to indulge. All right, these are ready to serve. I have my little platter here, and we're just gonna go ahead and transfer them. Could not be happier with how these came out. All right, it's time to give one a try. This one looks extra cute with all those little star sprinkles on there. Let's see, can we hold it from the pretzel? We sure can.
Is it good?
It is perfect.